Hello, this is Chris from English Key. Let's look today at Read Aloud, part of the speaking test in the PTE academic exam. Read Aloud will be testing your ability to read a text and then read it aloud within 40 seconds. Make sure you focus on pronunciation, intonation and pitch. We'll have a look at an example together. Make sure that you utilize your time at the beginning of the question to make sure you understand exactly which words are going to be difficult. Sometimes even the small words can be quite tricky to pronounce. In this case, there are some words which jump out to me, which are frequently battered, the word islands, and also the word isles. Remember that the word islands and isles has a silent S, so the exam is probably testing you on that. So you'll have 40 seconds to read the text. Let's practice this together. Make sure that you change your intonation and pitch. That means go up and go down, and remember to pause where there is a comma or a full stop. Off the northern tip of Scotland, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the North Sea, lies a group of 70 or so islands called the Orkneys. These largely treeless isles are frequently battered by Atlantic storms, gales and rain. Now I hope you noticed here that I read quite quickly and I changed my pitch. I stopped at the full stops and also at the commas. It's really important that you do that. When a word begins with a vowel, such as Atlantic Ocean, if there is a word the before it, it normally changes to the. So naturally we would say the Atlantic Ocean, whereas we would say the North Sea. There's a little pronunciation tip for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Practice this one yourself. See you soon.